I'm in a fashion slump. I have a mountain of clothes. So why do I feel like I don't have anything to wear? Probably because I've spent the past 2 years working from home in sweatsuits. I spend so much time wearing comfortable athleisure that when it comes time to put on a cute outfit, it usually results in bad feelings. And I'm sick of it. So I'm taking everything out of my dresser and my closet and I'm trying it on. And if it doesn't spark joy, it's getting donated. This is a cape. Oh god, how am I ever gonna part with all of these stupid t-shirts? I love this shirt, even though it has this little quote here. I really wish it didn't, but I love it. I'm not even that bananas about the design, but I got it on the other side of the world. There's another souvenir shirt, and I like it better. My parents used to have a VW van like this when I was growing up. Bigger than the other one. Yeah, I think I'll keep this one. I don't really find I need to get rid of yet. This one's not going anywhere. Awesome. Girl power. So, this is staying, certainly. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep it. My only concern is that there's some stains on it. How many green sweatshirts does one person need? Probably only one. So maybe I'm gonna start a donate pile, a give to my friends or sell pile, and then also a thrift flip pile. But I just fear that when I do that, it just sits there and it never gets done. But maybe because I have the YouTube channel now, it will hold me accountable. But we'll see. So I think this is going to go into the thrift flip pile. Queen's Department of Geological Science and Engineering. Sounds cool, but I did not go there. And when I first bought it, I thought I would cover this with a different patch. Another green sweater for the thrift flip pile, perhaps? This long sleeve is very sentimental because when my granddad passed away, his nickname was Cataract Jack. And so when he passed away, me and my aunts and uncles and cousins all got these shirts made. Sports. This is the TNA boyfriend hoodie. I already got a stain on it for my foundation. Oh, you just reach for this, reach for that, and yeah, being like, what if I put a little ribbon back here? That could be cute. I like the color, so this one on so that I can show it off because I would never dream of parting with it because my best friend made it. My best friend is a textile artist and designs knitwear clothing. And her name is Madeline Simpson. Hi Madeline, I love you. The sweater she made me, isn't it so cool? This is her half and half sweater. So cool! This is a vest I got for my birthday from her. Oh, it's so cute! It's so perfect. It's very cool, but it was white and I got a stain on it. So then I had this vision to do mustard tie-dye. Then I washed it in the machine with a blue tie-dye project. Now it's sort of green. I think it makes me feel cool. It makes me feel like very Canadiana, like a badass lumberjack. I like the variety of textures it has because it has these corduroy patches and it has like some leather. I like this outfit honestly as it is. I've always wanted to be a pirate princess fairy, so I really want to like this. But I think I need a corset with like bigger cups or something because not it from the side. It's weird. I'm back. I couldn't finish it all in one afternoon. That's why my outfit is different. I'm about to try on pants, which I feel very nervous about. Let's just get rid of the pants that make me feel bad. Keep the ones that make me feel cute. Should be simple, right? Nothing to cry about. Who let me paint the whole house in these jeans? I can just add these to my thrift flip pile. See if I can do something cute with these.